Find the LCM and HCF of the following integers by applying prime factorization method. So let us take the first one, and the remaining two same models you can complete. So the first one is the numbers are given 12, 15 and 21. Let us write the prime factors of 12. So 12 we can write it as 2 6 times and 2 3 times. So it is 2 square.
The 2 power 2 in
Write in exponential time. It is easy to find LCM and HCF.
Yes, sir.
And next 15. 3 5 times.
3 times 5.
So it is
3 power 1 into 3, 5 power 1.
and 5 power 1. And next 21. 21 is 3.
so 3 tables
3
7.
to 7.
So 3 power 1 into 7 power 1. Now find its LCM and HCF. First let us find HCF. HCF of these numbers 12, 15, 21 is we should take the common basis of all numbers.
3, sir. Here.
Basis of
So
all
3
numbers.
power 1, sir.
And when it is HCF, least power we have to take out of these three. First fix 3 is the common base, and the least power of 3 is
1, sir.
Sir, 1.
so the HCF of these three numbers is 3. That's it. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Next, go to LCM. LCM of 12, 15 and 21. First we have to take the common base with the highest power. Common base we have 3. That highest power is 1.
1,
1,
sir.
sir.
Into the remaining all numbers with the same
The
power.
2,
So here you should understand that suppose if any two numbers have the common base, so in HCF there is no chance 3 numbers also should have the common base and least power we should take and multiply it. When it comes to LCM, take the 3 common base power, highest power, and take any two numbers common base power. Is there any two numbers having the same base?
no, sir.
Other than
No,
3,
sir.
only 3 we have taken. We do not have. If it has, then you should write the same base with the highest power. Right?
Okay, sir. Yes, sir.
And the remaining all we should multiply. 2 square into 5 power 1 into 7 power 1. So what's the result, ma? This is 4,
So 420. 420.
420. This is LCM. Yeah, they did not ask to verify product of LCM, HCF and the numbers. So we can leave as it is. But there is an exceptional case when it goes to second question, we can find out. So let us take the second one. So the second one, the numbers are 17. 17 is prime number. 17.
So HCF is
Yes, so that only we are discussing it. 23. 23 power 1. 29. 29 power 1. So there is no common base, right?
Yes,
yes,
sir.
yes. So 1.
1 is common factor for all the numbers, we know that. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Even 1 is not prime number also. Here there is no option. We should take 1 as the common factor. This is one exceptional case in the factorization method. So here HCF of these numbers is, what is HCF?
1,
So
sir.
1,
1.
sir.
And LCM.
1, sir. So
LCM.
1 1. Sir, 11339.
1 into
11339.
the remaining all. 17 power 1,
70.
23 power 1 and 29 power 1 also we
29.
should multiply. What we get the result?
Sir, 11339.
11338.
9. 9, sir.
9. So write 9. That's it. This is LCM and this is HCF. The third one is homework. You can complete. Is it clear?
Yes, sir. Sir,
HCF is given,
HCF
sir.
and the two numbers is
And
given.
the two
Sir.
numbers are given.
That we have to write it. So HCF of 306 and 657 is 9. So the numbers are, or here take like
306 and 6.
A is
306 and
306
657.
and B is 657. Then use this relation. As we know that HCF into LCM equal to A into B. Then HCF we know that.
Sir,
9.
this A, B variables can we can change, no, sir?
Sorry, ma.
Sir, instead of A and B, we can take any two variables, no, sir?
Any two variables except H and L because already we used this.
Yes, sir.
9 into L. LCM equal to A is 306 and B is 657. So L equal to, that means LCM 306 into 657, this into 9 transpose this side, divide by 9. So this is 9 7s are 63, 9 3s are 27. So multiply these two.
Sir, 22338.
22338.
8, sir.
Therefore, at last we write the conclusion. LCM of 306 and 657 is 22,338. That's all. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
6 power n can end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. If any natural number n ends with 0 in the sense, it is possible when only 10 power n. 10 power 1 is 10, 10 square is 100, 10 cube is 1000, so it ends with 0. Right? So here 10 power n, we'll write it as 10 as 2 times of 5 whole power n. That means if the base consists of the product of 2 and 5 only, ends with 0. If any number is given, not only 6 power n, 6 power n, 7 power n, 5 power n, whatever it is given. 5 power n, there is a chance, but not for all natural numbers. So any value power n is given. When they ask check whether it is and with the digit 0 or not, first we should write the base as the prime factors of 2 and 5 only. Is it clear?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
If we can express in the
Can you explain me again, sir?
as a product of 2 and 5, only the number would be and with 0 for any natural number. Other than that, the number is not and with a digit 0. Right?
Sir.
Yes, sir.
Now let us take this, write this solution.
Yes, sir.
So 6 power n is given. So how do we write 6?
Sir, 2 into 3.
2 into 3.
Power n.
But
Whole
we
power n.
2 power 5, 2 into 5 power n only. But here 2 times 5 is not a factor. Prime factor of 6. So that 6 power n will never end with 0. Do you understand it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So here write if
Why?
number ends with the digit 0, it should be divisible by 10. right?
Yes, sir.
Even 5 also no, sir.
5 also, but not all the natural numbers. Now 5 power 1 is 5. 5 square only 10. Sorry, 5 square is 25.
Power 2.
5 cube is 125. It's not possible, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
only when its factors are 2 and 5, it can be end with 0, sir.
Yes, ma'am.
Okay, sir.
2 and 5, both also.
Yes, sir.
So 10. Or in other words, we can write it as it will also be divisible by 2 and 5.
Yes, sir.
Also be divisible by 2 and 5. So let us find prime factors of 6 power n. Is 2 times of 3 whole power n. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
5
Yes,
is
sir.
not in the prime factorization, right?
Yes, sir.
Right. Since 5 is not in the prime factor, not in the prime factorization of n, prime factorization of 6 power n. So it is not division. It is not ends with the digit 0. So 6 power n is 6 power n cannot end with the 0. 6 power n will not end with 0.
Sir, here in place of 6, can they ask 20 and sir?
What more? So let us finish this one, this statement. 6
Okay.
power n cannot end with the digit 0 for any natural number n. Right. Now tell me your doubt. What's your doubt?
Sir, here in question 6n is given no, sir. Instead of that, whether there is a chance of asking 20n, sir.
Yes, ma, why not?
Sir,
Suppose if it
if
is
20n
20n.
asks,
Suppose if it is 20n.
yes, sir.
Write this one. Can we write 20 as
2 into 2 into 5, sir.
2 into 2 into
5, sir.
5? So 2 into 2 means 2 square into 5
Into 5.
whole power n.
Sir, so it's
Sir, if
possible to.
Sorry, ma. So it
sir,
is
if a
uh,
number's factor is 2 into 3 into 5 means what will happen, sir? It will not come, sir.
it will come, ma.
So three
Right?
only
So,
2 and 5 should come, no, sir.
no, 2 and 5 must come. Suppose,
So there may be chance of coming other prime numbers also with that
yes,
number.
ma. But there must be 2 and 5
Yes, sir. Okay. Now understood,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Thank
because 2 and 5 is gives 10. 10 3s are 30, ma. Suppose 30 power n. 30 power 1 is
you. Sir, so anything multiplied by 10 ends with 0, so it must
yes,
be
ma,
coming,
yes,
sir.
yes.
Okay, sir. Thank
That's it. So as you said, that is the conclusion. A multiple of 10 always ends with 0. So if you see the first one, explain why 7 times of 11 times of 13 plus 13 is a composite number. So what is the meaning of, what is the definition of composite number?
Sir,
Sir
it has
has
other
more
than
than
the
two factors.
factors
They
of
have two or
prime
more
number are
factors,
Number
equal.
sir.
which has more than 2 factors is called a composite number. Let us take the first one. 7 into 11 into 13 plus 13. they'll give one number is same. That should be taken common. So let us take 13 common. So the remaining is 7 into 11 plus, here 13 has taken common, means 13 ones are 13, so 1 is left out. So this is 13 times of 77 plus 1. So 13 times of 78. So this also can be expressed as 13 into 13 into 6. Isn't it? 13 are same numbers, but 6 is different. So it is,
Yes, sir.
how many factors it has?
So 2 into 3.
2 factors. One is 13 and 6. But as we know that 6 also can be expressed as 2 times of 3, or else 13, 6 is two factors. One is a factor for all the numbers, every number, right?
Yes, sir.
So it consists of more than 2 factors. Since the
Yes,
given
sir.
number has more than 2 factors,
Can you again explain this question, sir? I can't understand.
where you did not understand, no?
Sir, here, sir, +1. How it came, sir? That
So this one I have written as this 7 times of 11 times of 13 plus this 13. I'm going to write it as 13 ones. Can we write?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
So this is one part, this is another part. From these two, what is the common factors?
so 13.
So 13.
So I have taken 13 common. So after taking
Yes,
13 common, the remaining value is here. 7 into
11
Sir,
into
11.
11
11
and
plus
then
1.
plus 1, sir.
First we have to write as it is. This is from the first part only.
Yes, sir.
13 already taken common.
Yes, sir.
So the left out value
sir.
is
So the remaining is 1, sir.
1. That's it.
Sir.
So this last step alone again, can you explain? So
Yes,
13 into
yes.
13.
And next, after that, this last step, 13 into 78, we can write it as 13 into, this can be written as 13 times of 6. Isn't it?
Yes, sir.
So how many
Yes,
factors
sir.
it has now? It seems to be 3, but 13 and 13 are same only. So we'll consider it as only one factor.
Yes, sir. So now
So
113 and
13,
16, sir.
yes, no, 13 is one factor, 6 is another factor. So how many factors it has?
2 factors.
2 factors.
Factors.
Here you can
So
write 6 as 2 3's. Then 13, 2, 3. It has more than 2 factors, right?
Yes, sir.
Or else, suppose in some cases you'll get, here 6 is composite number, so we write it as 2, 3 times. Suppose if it is prime, we cannot write. But we know that 1 is a factor for every number, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes,
So
sir.
whatever the number is given, 13 is one factor, we got it. 6 is one factor. 1 is common factor for every number. So how many factors it has now?
1, sir. 3, sir.
3. That means more than 2.
Okay.
So we'll write, since the given number has more than 2 factors, so it is a composite number. Or therefore it is composite number. Is it clear, ma?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
So from the second question also same, you have to do that. This is one part, this is another part. So 5 is the common
Yes, sir.
factor you can take and proceed further.
Okay, sir.
So that is homework.